Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, temperatures are definitely cooler west of the Cascades. You can see it's only 49 degrees right now in Brookings, 56 in Medford. Yesterday it was so much warmer all throughout our region, and 40s and 50s east of the Cascades. In fact, even though Lakeview is not showing any temperature right now, you are 10 degrees warmer compared to 24 hours ago. In fact, you have a little bit of a wind down to our south or by Alturas, and this is all moving from south to the north, so it's creating a little bit of that warmer effect east of the Cascades. Now, west of the Cascades, and pretty much over the Cascades, we have a lot more clouds, and rain is showing up, but it's having a hard time reaching the ground because the air mass is still a bit on the dry side. But as long as it keeps raining, at least in terms of radar, eventually that'll be reaching the ground. Now, the Para-Fair event begins today at 3 o'clock, so temperatures pretty much will stay into the low 60s for most of the event. By the time we get towards the evening hours, about 8 o'clock, temperatures dropping into the upper 50s, but we'll have a chance of showers for today. But today, though, will actually be a nicer day for the overall event. Now, forecast highs for today, we're going to stay into the 60 to 65 degree range east of the Cascades, and we'll be looking at 60s west of the Cascades as well. 55 on Brookings, though, and 59 is the forecast high for Mount Shasta City. Now, for tonight, we'll be looking at temperatures into the 30s east of the Cascades, 40s west of the Cascades, a little bit on the mild side. 47 is the forecast low for Medford. Now, if you are going to the parade for tomorrow, begins at 11 o'clock. Temperatures mostly will just stay into the 55 to 60 degree range, but problem is it's going to be a bit on the rainy side at that particular time. Now, the Pear Blossom Festival for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, really is going to be, if you have a choice in terms of you're deciding, do I want to go today, do I want to go tomorrow? Well, if you don't want to get drenched, tomorrow is going to be the day where you're going to get drenched probably. But Friday, today, not as bad of a day, although we do have a slight chance of thunderstorms for today. We have a little bit better chance for tomorrow. Now, our stormcast showing that we do have that possibility of thunderstorms east of the Cascades. It's a little bit better chance than west of the Cascades, but not completely ruled out overall. So we'll keep that chance of showers all throughout the day today. And tonight we'll have showers as well. Now, once we go through tomorrow, we'll have a little bit of a different flow. We'll have a bit of a southeasterly flow, which is going to help with the thunderstorm creation. So the only thing that would prevent thunderstorms here west of the Cascades would be too much cloud cover overall. But you can kind of see these cells developing, so that's pretty good indication that we'll see thunderstorms throughout our region. Now we'll see a little bit more in terms of steadier rain all throughout the day once we get towards the afternoon to the evening, especially down to our south, because that's where our system will really set up shop. And Sunday morning, it's going to be pretty wet all throughout our region, all through Siskiyou County as well, because temperatures, well, snow levels will actually be dropping to about 5,000 feet, give or take a little bit. Now, in terms of rainfall for today, we'll be looking at spotty hit and miss kind of showers, but not everyone's going to get wet. The best chance of getting wet will be along the Oregon coast. But as we go through the weekend, Saturday into Sunday, well, you can see it's going to be pretty wet, especially down towards Mount Shasta City. We do have that chance of thunderstorms later on today, especially east of the Cascades. There's a slight chance that maybe a few of them could become severe, which would have some very strong gusty winds and large hail. So the forecast for the Oregon coast will be staying into the 50s for the next several days. If you want 60s, well, you're going to have to wait till Wednesday and Thursday. For Northern California, it'll be cooler temperatures compared to today once we go through the weekend, but showers and thunderstorms will be the forecast for the next couple of days, but it stays dry into early next week. Klamath Basin temperatures drop like a rock from today compared to Sunday, only upper 40s, but then a gradual warm up with some more sunshine into early next week. Cascades will be looking at some rain and some snow as well. Temperatures still dropping into the 30s overnight. Monday, though, looks to be a dry day and some more snow as we go towards early next week. And the Rogue Valley temperatures cooling again. The coolest day looks to be on Sunday. Temperatures slowly warming back up, especially once we get towards the middle of the week. So not too bad overall. Very spring-like.
Okay, still some bummer news that we're going to have kind of a crummy weekend.
Yeah.
But if we're heading to the Pear Festival, either Pear Blossom Festival, today's the best day. Highly recommend a rain jacket, right?
Definitely, especially for tomorrow. If you're going to go tomorrow, you're going to need a lot more.
Okay, well, perfect. Thank you, Oliver.